The kangaroo is a famous animal from Australia. It is a marsupial, which means that the female kangaroo has a pouch on her stomach. After birth, the baby kangaroo, called a joey, is very small and weak. It crawls into the pouch where it grows and stays safe for several months. Kangaroos have very strong back legs. They move by jumping, which helps them travel long distances quickly. Their long and strong tail helps them keep balance when they jump or sit. Kangaroos can jump very high and very far. Kangaroos are herbivores, so they only eat plants. They like grass, leaves, and small plants. They usually eat in the early morning or in the evening because it is cooler. During the hot day, they rest in the shade. Kangaroos often live in groups called mobs. Living in groups helps them stay safe from enemies. The kangaroo is an important symbol of Australia and is loved by people all over the world. Kangaroos are one of the most famous animals in the world and are strongly connected to Australia. They belong to a group of animals called marsupials. This means that the female kangaroo has a pouch on her body. Kangaroos live mainly in Australia and can be found in grasslands, open forests, and plains. There are different types of kangaroos. The red kangaroo is the largest and can grow taller than a human. The gray kangaroo is smaller and often lives closer to forests. Each type of kangaroo has special skills that help it survive in its environment. Kangaroos are also important for Australian culture. They are a national symbol and appear on the Australian coat of arms, coins, and logos. Many tourists visit Australia hoping to see kangaroos in the wild. For many people, kangaroos represent freedom, strength, and nature. In conclusion, kangaroos are fascinating animals with many special features. Koalas. The koala is one of the most famous animals from Australia. It is a marsupial, which means that the female koala has a pouch on her body. A baby koala, called a joey, is born very small and underdeveloped. After birth, the joey crawls into its mother's pouch. There, it stays safe and grows for several months until it is strong enough to leave the pouch and start exploring the world. Koalas live mostly in eucalyptus trees. These trees are very important for koalas because they eat eucalyptus leaves almost every day. Eucalyptus leaves are not very nutritious, so koalas eat a lot and sleep a lot. In fact, koalas can sleep up to 18 or 20 hours a day to save energy. Gorillas. Gorillas are large and strong wild animals that live in the forests of Africa. They belong to the primate family, which means they are related to humans. Gorillas are intelligent, social, and gentle animals, even though they look very powerful. There are two main types of gorillas: eastern gorillas and western gorillas. Each type has different subspecies. Gorillas live mostly in tropical rainforests and sometimes in mountain forests. They spend most of their time on the ground but can climb trees as well. Gorillas are herbivores, which means they mainly eat plants. Their food includes leaves, stems, fruit, and flowers. They spend many hours each day eating because plants do not give them as much energy as meat. Gorillas live in groups called troops. A troop usually includes one strong adult male, called a silverback, several females, and their babies. The silverback is the leader and protects the group. Gorillas communicate with each other using sounds, gestures, and facial expressions. They can even show emotions like happiness, sadness, or anger. Baby gorillas stay close to their mothers and learn many skills by watching them. Gorillas grow slowly and usually stay with their families for several years. Unfortunately, gorillas are endangered animals. Their forests are being destroyed by humans, and they are also hunted in some areas. Conservation programs are helping to protect gorillas and their habitats so that these amazing animals can survive in the wild. Butterflies. Butterflies are beautiful and colorful insects that can be found all over the world. They belong to the order Lepidoptera, which also includes moths. Butterflies are famous for their bright wings and graceful flight. One of the most interesting things about butterflies is their life cycle. They go through 4 stages: egg, larva, caterpillar, pupa, chrysalis, and adult butterfly. This process is called metamorphosis. The caterpillar eats a lot of leaves to grow quickly. Then it forms a chrysalis, and after some time, a fully grown butterfly emerges. Butterflies feed mainly on nectar from flowers. They have a special mouth part called a proboscis, which works like a straw to drink the nectar. Some butterflies also eat fruits, tree sap, or even minerals from the soil. Butterflies are important for nature because they pollinate plants. When they move from flower to flower, they carry pollen, which helps plants produce seeds and fruits. They are also part of the food chain, serving as food for birds, spiders, and other animals. Butterflies are often active during the day and are attracted to sunlight. They have bright and colorful wings with different patterns, which help them scare away predators or attract mates. There are thousands of species of butterflies, each with unique colors and patterns. Unfortunately, some butterflies are threatened by habitat loss, pollution, and climate change. Protecting flowers, forests, and natural habitats helps butterflies survive. Watching butterflies can be very calming, and they are a symbol of beauty, change, and freedom in many cultures. The poetic butterfly. The butterfly flutters like a fleeting thought, delicate yet vivid, a whisper of color across the sky. Its wings, painted with nature's palette, carry stories of transformation, reminding us that change, even when slow or painful,